In this episode, we will be learning how to enable left-handed orientation on the Zangi application using your smartphone. To enable the left-handed orientation in Zangi, open the Zangi application on your mobile device and then log into your account. Once you open up the chat section of Zangi, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Once you open up the settings interface, within the settings menu, look for the chats option and tap on it. Once you open up the chat section, scroll down and then tap on the toggle button right next to orientation for left-handed. Once you toggle on the button right next to orientation for left-handed, you will then be able to enable the left-handed option on Zangi. This will adjust the app's interface, shifting buttons and other elements for easier use with your left hand. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.